Hello there, welcome to the Gist on Plug TV Live. On the Gist today, we bring you interesting story as an investigative journalist accused Ebony Live TV and Abudu of stealing her work.
Oloture is my life story. As a result of a story, everything got scattered.
Let's check out details.
My name is Tobore, Ovuorie. I'm an investigative journalist. Oloture is my work. Oloture is my life story. It's an adaptation of my work and my life story. It's a case of the reporter became the story. I never expected to witness persons being killed was still in my presence. Everything happened like a movie. Everything happened like a movie. And I still recall we were screaming. We we're screaming, trying to run, but it's a highly secured place. I had never seen such, so I passed out. It was blood all over the place. 2 persons' heads. Two persons' heads chopped off. Blood all over the place. We're screaming. I had the blood, when it happened, the blood splashed even on me. I passed out. There's some other stuff that I still don't have the courage to talk about. That then happened to me. I'm trying to move on. But the truth is, are these memories I can forget? I don't think so. As a result of the investigation, I slid into depression, and anxiety attacks, panic attacks. Then there's post-traumatic stress disorder, which subsequently led me to be dependent on medications. I'm still in therapy. But before now, I had to be checked into a rehab in the US. So that investigation, on the surface, professional, but to be honest, it was personal for me. I feel horrible that people who have sisters, who have daughters, who have even grandkids will sit down and produce such traumatizing piece, which actually happens to somebody without the person's blessings and express permission. Then still walk on, they fight the person, they threaten the person, running to Netflix without even my knowledge. I feel terrible about it. I recall it was May 29th, 2019, that the executive producer of the movie called me. At that time, I didn't even know they had even done screening of the film, May 27th. How moral is that? How professional is that? They make a film of my life story without first getting in touch with me to seek my permission first. How proper is that? How ethical is that? How ethical is that? Kenneth Giang, as at 2016, I had contacted the same Kenneth wanting him to direct this same story. People are not aware of this. Then, selling human trafficking on the surface to me and giving me an interesting letter. Giving me an interesting letter, appreciating journalistic endeavors, but there is a funny term and conditions at the end of the letter. I want to believe that's the letter you're making reference to. That 5% of theatrical runs in cinemas in Nigeria will come to your foundation. How come, if they were honest and they had any shred of integrity in them, there was not going to be a theatrical cinematic display, and people were now informing me about, we are seeing something on Twitter, on social media, that is about, that's more of your story, is going to showcase on Netflix. That's how I got it. A film about exploitation is actually exploiting me. They're wanting to shut me down. And no, I can't be silenced. I can't be silenced. I refuse to be silenced. I feel totally violated. Many of my family members got to know about the rape through Oloture. First, the rape, that one a serious violation. Then so many other stuffs. Then fellow woman like me, in media like me, go come kidia, he sit down. Fellow woman like me, in the media like me. Jami lonely. December 16, I clocked 40. Yeah. And, at certain stage in therapy, I've been told to stay away from relationships. So I had my life pending, hanging. Stay away from relationships. Don't do this. Don't do that. So I was just watching my life pass me by. Then finally a fellow woman in the media like me now decides to worsen the situation for me. I feel terrible. I feel terrible. A story that already took a whole lot from me. Another person now come say, okay, make we even come Kukuma finish the whole process. No. It's a capital N-O. I say no. No is no.